Okay, then we are going to discuss about tanks and reservoirs. Topic you write down, tanks. Tanks and reservoirs. You write down the topic, tanks and reservoirs. Attention was paid on the irrigation in the dry zone, even in the ancient times, due to instability of rainfall and drying up of the rivers during the dry season. You know about the rivers in the dry season. They are sometimes they are called as seasonal rivers. I think you have heard about. අවුරුද්ද එක කාලයකට විතරයි එක සීසන් එකකදී විතරයි රිවර්ස් වල ජලය තියෙන්නේ dry zone එකේ. Due to instability of rainfall and drying up of the rivers during the dry season. So irrigation is very important. Irrigation canals also very important. Tanks very important in the dry zone. Many tanks were constructed in the dry zone in Sri Lanka as a solution for the scarcity of water. මේ tanks හදලා තියෙන පුතේ ජල හිගයට ගැටලුවක් විදියට. Water collected during the rainy season in these tanks in use during the dry season. Rainy season එකේ මේවා ජලය පිරෙනවා. එතකොට dry season එකේදී ඒ ජලය තමයි use කරන්නේ. මින්නේරිය, කවුදුල්ල, පරාක්‍රම සමුද්‍ර, යෝධ වැව, කලා වැව, නාචදුව are example for some of the tanks in the dry zone. These tanks fulfill the water requirement in those areas even at present. දැන් ඒ කාලේ අතීත රජවරු ඒ කාලේ ජල අවශ්‍යතාවට අදපු වැව් අදටත් භාවිතා වෙනවා. අදටත් මේ මිනිස්සු ඒවා use කරනවා නේද? Large reservoirs were constructed in hilly country. ජලාශ තියෙන්නේ අපේ hill country එකේ wet zone during recent times. ඇයි මේ wet zone එකේ ජලාශ ඉදි කරන්නේ? Reservoirs හදන්නේ ඇයි wet zone එකේ? කොත්මලේ, වික්ටෝරියා, රන්දෙනිගල, රන්තැඹේ are some of them. Water in those reservoirs is not only used for agricultural activity. In dry zone, tanks are used for agricultural activities and to fulfill daily needs, day-to-day needs. But there are reservoirs in hill country. Kotmale, Victoria, Randenigala, Rantambe. These are examples for reservoirs. These reservoirs is not only used for agriculture but for many other purposes as well. විවිධ අවශ්‍යතා සඳහා තමයි මේ central hill එකේ ජලාශ ඉදි කරන්නේ. What are the example for that? What are the various requirements? Generating hydropower. It is the basic needs. නේද? ජල විදුලිය නිපදවීම තමයි හුඟක් වෙලාවට මේ ජලාශවල අරමුණ උනේ. You write down. Many tanks were constructed. Many tanks were constructed in the dry zone. In the dry zone. In the dry zone as a solution for scarcity of water. Scarcity of water. Scarcity of water. Scarcity of water. ජල හිගේට solution එකක් විදිහට තමයි මේ tanks ඉදි කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Example, what are the example? Example. You write down mean area. Mean area. කවුඩුල්ල. 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 පරාක්‍රම සමුද්‍ර. පරාක්‍රම සමුද්‍ර. යෝධ වැව. යෝධ වැව. නාචදූව. These are example for tanks in the dry zone. Tanks fulfill the water requirement in those areas even present also. And then tanks in dry zone again. Next point you write down. Reservoirs were constructed in hill country. Reservoirs were constructed in hill country. Hill country. Wet zone during recent time. Reservoirs are constructed in hilly country. Hilly country. Hill country. Wet zone. Wet zone during recent time. Recent time. Example you write down. You write down example for recent times. You write down example for reservoirs. Example for reservoirs. Example you write down. Kotmale. Kotmale. Victoria. 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 Kotmale, Victoria. Victoria, Kotmale, Randenigala. Randenigala, Rantambi. Rantambi. These are water in these reservoirs is not only used for agriculture but for many other purposes. Many other purposes. Then we are going to discuss about the groundwater. Next topic you write down. Groundwater. 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 Groundwater is important in districts such as Jaffna, Kilinochchi, Mana and Puttalam in Sri Lanka. Limestone deposit of these areas can retain a large quantity of groundwater. Groundwater exists in as deep basins. මේ ගැඹුරු ද්‍රෝණි විදිහට පුතේ groundwater තියෙනවා ලංකාවේ වනාත විල්ලුව Wanathavillu and Murukkan basins are the largest groundwater deposit in Sri Lanka. Groundwater can be utilized by agri well, tube wells, RDA wells. We can use groundwater from these RDA wells, agro wells, deep wells, sweep wells. These are the type of wells. Groundwater is important in districts such as, you write down. Groundwater is important. Groundwater is important. Groundwater is important. Groundwater is important. In districts such as districts such as Jaffna, Kilinochchi, Mana, Mana, Puttalam district in Sri Lanka. එතකොට මේ areas වල ground water තියෙන්නේ මේ limestone deposits වල තමයි. Limestone deposits of these areas can retain large quantity of groundwater. Limestone අතර layers අතර තමයි මේ විශාල මේ groundwater basins පිහිටලා තියෙන්නේ. වනාත විල්ලුව Murukkan basins are the largest groundwater deposit in Sri Lanka. Next point you write down. You write down Vanatha Villuva, Vanatha Villu, Vanatha Villuva, and Murukkan. Vanatha Villuva and Murukkan. Vanatha Villuva and Murukkan basins are the largest groundwater deposit in Sri Lanka. Vanatha Villuva and Murukkan basins are the largest groundwater deposits in Sri Lanka. You draw Sri Lankan map and mark Vanatha Villuva and Murukkan. You find these two places and mark in a Sri Lankan map. Vanatha Villuva and Murukkan. Vanatha Villuva and Murukkan. Groundwater can be utilized. Groundwater can be utilized groundwater can be utilized groundwater can be utilized by Agrovales, by agrovales, tube well, tube wells, tube wells, Andia well is called as sweep well. Sweep well. Do you know about sweep well? Huh? අර මේ උස කණු දෙකක් මැද ලීයක් බැඳලා තියෙන්නේ වතුර ගන්න ක්‍රමයක් ඕගලන්ට මම වීඩියෝ පෙන්නලත් ඇති කලින්. දන්නව නේද? Sweep well. It is called as sweep well or Andia well. එක පැත්තක බරක් බැඳලා අනිත් පැත්තේ බාල්දිය දාලා තියෙන ලිඳට දාන්න පහසු වෙන්න. වතුර ගැනීමට වඩා එතන අපේක්ෂාව බාල්දිය උඩට ඇදින එක. බාල්දිය උඩට ඇදින එක පහසු වෙන්න. මේ වගේ උඟ වෙලාවට ලී කණු දෙකක් හිටවලක් තියෙනවා. ඔය වගේ. මේකේ බැඳලා තියෙන්නේ තවත් ලීයක්. හරිද? එක පැත්තක බරක් තියෙනවා අනිත් පැත්තේ බාල්දිය තියෙනවා. මේ පැත්තේ බරක් තියෙනවා නම් අනිත් පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ water bucket එක. Here well. දැන් මතක් වුණාද? ඈ? ඔයගේ well එකක් ඈ. Groundwater can be utilized by agrovales, tube wells and sweep wells. Sweep well is called as Andia well. Okay, next day we have to discuss about the uses of water, problem in utilization of water, method of conservation of water. Okay, goodbye children.
Goodbye,
Goodbye, madam.
Goodbye. Thank you.